east side of Monroe, Louisiana, where we got excellent pace footage of the ghost pair. 4551 and 4552 are both General Electric AC-44 locomotives that were built in August 2000, weighing at around 426,000 pounds. AC-44s have a power output of 4,400 horsepower thanks to the 7FDL-16 prime mover. These were the first locomotives produced by GE that had self-steering trucks and also the first to come with AC power, unlike its Dash 9 counterpart. The Class 1s were impressed with the 145,000-pound tractive effort provided by the GE B13 traction motor.